Garage floors and basements take a beating. Moisture, weather, road salt, and heavy use can quickly destroy them. Yet many homeowners settle for easy-fix flooring solutions that simply don't last. Today, let's break down the most common options and reveal what's best for your floors.
It had some cracks in the foundation of it and then some stains on it that we just didn't look great with the amount of snow we get, the rain we get, the car coming in and out. I'm sure it caused some of that.
We have a toddler daughter, so we always have to go in and out of the car. With it getting wet often, it gets very slippery, and it's always difficult to walk without having to slip with both me and my daughter in our arms.
From basic paint to thin, roll-on epoxy coatings, there are plenty of options out there. But not all are created equal.
Homeowners have many options. They could paint the floor. They could do the roll-on epoxies. They could put vinyl floorings down. The problems that you'll see with those, it is moisture related. That's number one problem that homeowners will have, whether it's cracking and pitting. That's just moisture escaping through the concrete. They're basically putting very thin, paper-thin coatings down on that floor, and then after time, that moisture is still going to escape. So it's going to come up through that epoxy, up through that paint, and that's what's going to lead to the chipping, going to lead to the cracking, going to lead to the peeling.
Concrete needs to breathe. If you trap moisture, it will find a way out.
The moisture in that concrete, it is going to rise. So with that hydrostatic pressure from basically water underneath the slab of the concrete, that water is going to rise to the top. It's going to cause that floor to crack, to chip, to bubble, and also with those vinyl floorings, that surface area is going to be slippery.
That's where a different kind of system comes in. Nature Stone Flooring features a system designed to not just cover concrete, but to work with it.
The water that's going to be coming up, from the hydrostatic pressure, just water that you bring in from your tires, or if your garage door is open and it rains in your garage door a little bit, with those hydrostatic ports, or I just like to call them small little holes that we have in our Nature Stone product, that water gets off the surface, which creates then a non-slippery surface. It gives that water someplace to go. It's just not going to lay on top. That floor can breathe, so it's going to be mold and mildew resistant. It can withstand salt. We live in the north, we live in the Midwest, we're bringing salt all the time into our garages. So again, mold and mildew resistant, salt resistant.
Proper preparation and system design all play an important role.
We've installed over 100,000 homes, and it's all natural stone mixed with our special epoxy blend. And we mix those two products together. The number one key thing is our installers are professionals. They'll take time to grind your floor, to prep your floor, because they want to make sure that what they're going to put down is going to last. I'm just talking to the homeowners here today, very impressed with the preparation work that went in, how quickly then they're able to install this floor, and the craftsmanship that our installation crew is putting this material down. I think they're going to be very pleased with the product when it's complete.
Look at the result, a surface that's breathable, beautiful, and best of all, built to last.
I think it looks great. The color looks great. I think it's going to add a little more protection and have a nicer quality floor for what the garage looks like. I think we can do more with the garage and kind of add more value to our house too.
I think the floor is a safer option for us just because it is slip resistant, just so that way when we're going in and out of the house, with it raining, snowing, whatever it does in Ohio here, it will be safer so we don't have to fall. There is a lifetime warranty for it, so if there was any of it cracks or needed repairs, we would get that fixed automatically, no charge.
With the lifetime unconditional warranty, I mean, it'll last a lifetime, and that warranty is transferable to the new homeowner. When we say we stand behind our product 100%, it's unmatched. Easy to clean. You can sweep it, you can mop it, you can run a hose on it to get any of that dirt or just the grime off of the floor. If you think that floor has kind of lost its shine a little bit, we tell our customers to call us up, and if we need to come out and top coat that area, and that's all included in the warranty. So we'll bring that floor right back to its shine. Our product's been tested for water, been tested for strength, been tested on salt. Concrete, as it typically lays, can withstand 4,000 pounds per square inch. You add Nature Stone onto your concrete, it doubles it. It's going to withstand at least 8,000 pounds per square inch. So again, very durable floor. It's an industrial grade type of material that you're putting down on your floor. So it's going to handle almost whatever type of situation. Not only do we do garages, we'll do sunrooms, anything that has concrete on it, we can go over top of and create a beautiful product. The questions that customers should ask companies: what's your prep work look like? What can I expect out of you? What's the warranty? Is moisture going to be trapped in my floor? These are all questions they want to ask us. Am I going to see cracking? Am I going to see chipping? Our product's going to allow that floor to breathe. Another question they want to ask is, what kind of warranty comes with your work? Our warranty, anything that we do inside, whether it's a garage, a basement, a sunroom, a breezeway, anything that we do indoors, a lifetime unconditional warranty. But again, if anything ever happened with that floor, you'd call us up, take some pictures, we'll come out, repair it, fix it, whatever we need to do. No questions asked. With the lifetime unconditional warranty, can't be beat.
To learn more about Naturestone Flooring, visit their website naturestone.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.